Hi guys, my name is Ravi Sani and I'm a game designer. So, if you want to create a model or a model like this by using 3ds Max and Substance Painter, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification. In this video, we will only cover up how to improve your stability or enable a feature that's called for purpose of rendering, because this is going to be used as idle render. So we will use that only GPU to accelerate the rendering time. That it will affect your render time. Like sometimes you have happen like you have a big render file and it take too much time. So in this video we will cover up this only. So first of all, show you how does it work. Okay, we head into the render, and now here we are. So it's, you can see the speed now. Okay, and you see now here, so uh it's gonna be not taking like, okay, half of this have been completed in 25 seconds. Okay, so now I will show you how to make it improve. So we are now in our modeling mode, means painting mode. So if you can see here, it's painting mode, and let's go to our editor to change the settings and scroll down. It's already, and disable this CPU, and you're done. Click OK, and then again come to render, and whoops, I think after this is okay. Now if you see the speed of the render, it's push, it's like pushing up the limits. See how, but it's depend on the GPU how it's powerful, because if you are using only a CPU as a GPU, so it will slow down the speed. Now if you see, it's almost like that, but it having a more acceleration because it's using the CUDA cores that I have in ray tracing. So in next video we will cover up how to model this kind of oil barrier, we could say, and unwrap this texture. So I'm saying that please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and please like and comment, and don't forget to share. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.